is the youngest driver to ever win in Dirt Car UMP modified competition here at Duquoin. He's a two-time winner of the Bill O'Danny Memorial, doing so in 2016 years of age. His last win in 2022. He's out of St. Charles, Missouri, driver of the Performance Plus Global Logistics, Park Transportation, Stephens Motorsport, Trainer Chevrolet, DRC Marine. This is Kyle Stephens. And the number 8. He's a 6-time starter of the Ted Horn 100. His best run last year, a 7th-place finish. Finished 10th in 2023, was 26th in 2022, 13th in 2019 and 2021. 26 in 2005, comes around on his opening lap, 6 quick at a 31.145, 3.1145 seconds for Kyle Stephens. 43 career starts, 1 top 5, 13 top 10 finishes for the driver to St. Charles, Missouri. His last start there at Benthausen 100, a 21st place run. Takes it off into turns 3 and 4. We'll see if he can improve here on lap number 2. His opening lap, good enough for 6 quick right now at a 31.145. Hustles off at turn number 4. We'll see where he lands on lap number 2. And better third quick at a 38.52, 3:08.52 seconds. Kyle Stephens up on the final step of the podium here in Honest State Roofing Qualifying.